Welcome to Auto. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Rainbow Six Siege login failed and synchronization errors.
Fix 1. Check Ubisoft and server status. Step 1. Visit Ubisoft's server status page. Step 2. Make sure Rainbow Six Siege services are online. Step 3. If servers are down, wait and try again later. Fix 2. Restart Ubisoft Connect and verify game files. Step 1. Close Rainbow Six Siege and Ubisoft Connect completely. Step 2. Open Ubisoft Connect, Games, Rainbow Six Siege. Step 3. Click Properties, verify files, wait for completion. Fix 3. Fix Internet/DNS issues. Step 1. Restart your router and PC. Step 2. Open Command Prompt, Admin, and run. IP protocol configuration/flush. And Step 3. Use Google DNS 8.8.8/8.8.4.4 and relaunch the game. Fix 4. Disable VPN, firewall, and background overlays. Step 1. Turn off VPN and proxy services. Step 2. Temporarily disable firewall/antivirus or whitelist the game. Step 3. Disable overlays, Ubisoft, Discord, Steam, and launch the game again.